What's better than trading with minimum risks and reliable indicators? In this strategy, I will show you exactly how you can make continuous profits actually happen. Stay with us till the end of this video. Hey guys, what's up? It's Magical Trading Strategy. I'm back with you guys again. This time I have brought you Near Protocol. It's Near USDT. We are on the 4-hour time frame. We are back to 4 hours again, long term a little bit compared to the 15-minute, 5 minutes that we worked on. Normal candles, and that's it. That's all that needs to be set. This is actually one of my favorite cryptocurrencies too. I mean, in my own basket or list, you would say, I have targeted Gala maybe they say. Near Protocol, Phantom, Cardano, Ripple, and some other stuff that if you are interested, I will list it down in my channel below for you guys. Okay, let's not waste any time. Please give us a lot of good energy. Put us good comments. If you have any problems or you need it anywhere to be reviewed, anything possible, just text us down below and we will reach you ASAP. Okay, let's go to the indicator section. The first indicator that we are going to add is this one. You type in overbought or oversold. Check distance from MA. We are going to add this one. The next indicator that we are going to add is the RSI, Relative Strength Index. And finally, it's the Bollinger Bands, the normal one over here. We're going to add this one as well. The good news for you guys is that the settings doesn't need to be changed. Everything is good at its own default. You don't need to change any specific color, anything in the style section, anything in the input section. We are just good to go. Okay, so like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. We are ready to rock. Let's go. Okay, just like always, I'm going to start instructing you guys, meaning that I'm going to say the conditions for entering a trade before anything else. So guys, in this overbought or oversold area, okay, whenever you see colors changing, okay, it means that the trend is probably, I'm saying probably, is going to change. Okay, for example, here it has changed from green to red. Does it mean we can 100% enter this trend and follow it, get a short signal? No. We should wait for other confirmations as well. So when it changes from green to red, we are going to enter short positions, although based on other confirmations as well that I'm going to tell you guys. If it's changing from red to green, however, we can enter long positions. Okay, this was the first one. The RSI, I've told you guys in my other videos. If you haven't checked it, please go back to the previous videos with different indicators. I have used this RSI over and over again. It's just about this yellow line and this purple line over here. Sorry, I'm not really good in colors. I'm not sure if this is purple or not. Whenever the purple line, okay, it comes and it crosses the yellow line, we can get ready for entering a long position. Okay, and vice versa, the opposite. When it begins to cross it towards the downside, for example here, the purple line is crossing the yellow line towards the downside, we are going to enter short positions. Okay, so two of our confirmations is that over here the colors change from red to green. It means we are going to get ready for a long position, and the opposite from green to red for short positions. And for here it was the lines that are crossing each other. Okay, or if it's already above or below it. Okay, we are going to go to the examples and I'm going to show you guys everything. And for the Bollinger Bands over here, the middle line over here is very important to us. If you go to the history of the market, you're going to see that sometimes there's huge reactions over on this middle line over here. And do you guys remember what I told you every time? Is that please don't trade in these places. Okay, this is good. For example, somewhere over here the cloud is big. Okay, it's good, but here, you know, it has become tight. It's not wide enough, so it's risky entering these positions because anything can happen. Or again, somewhere over here. Okay, as you can see, this is not really a good place for entering trades. So pay attention to this fact, you guys. We can say for the Bollinger Bands that whenever the last candles have hit this upper band over here, we can start getting ready for entering short positions. And on the opposite, when it has hit this lower band over here, we can start thinking about entering long positions. Okay, so keep this in mind. Pay attention to the middle line also, because it sometimes has huge reactions. You can even get ready from here sometimes. Okay, entering trades from here towards the upside or the downside. We're just going to open some positions. For example, let's go over here. We didn't even need to go back. We are going to obviously enter a short position. Why? Because the color has changed from green to red, and the purple line has already crossed the yellow line towards the downside, so it has stayed below this yellow line. It's good. We are going to open our position exactly here. Okay, we can even go on the next candle if you guys want to be more sure. Okay, if you want to be assured, we can enter in the next candle over here. Stop loss. Now, many of you might ask that where should the stop loss be? The stop loss can be anywhere between this middle line over here, the combination of the middle line and the previous candles that we have had over here. So I would, for example, put it somewhere around here. Okay, I would personally put it somewhere around here, but just to make it safe, I would put it here for you guys, as you can see. And take profit, I always put it to, you know, 1.5, which just like always, I can't exactly set it to 1.5. Okay, so this was it for this position. We could have entered it, although our stop loss would have been huge as well. Okay, if it hit the stop loss, it would have been somehow a big amount, but we did have confirmation, so this was good for us. With a ratio of 1.49, let's just say 1.5, we would have got 13.94%. And these are for our candles in something around 1.5 to 2 days, which is amazing. 14% with a leverage of 1, with a leverage of 5, that would equal 70%. With a leverage of 10, it would nearly become 140%. Okay, when you have confirmations, okay, when you are sure from not just one indicator, from many indicators, it's good to enter positions like this. You could have even lowered your risk, you know, you could have, as I said, put it somewhere between near the middle band and the previous candle, somewhere around here. Your stop loss would have been little as well. So 1.5, and we would have hit our target in 1 days and a half. 7.92%, let's say nearly 8%. With a leverage of 5, that would be 40%, and with a leverage of 10 it would be 80%. So even for the people who are willing to take risks based on putting it on the previous candles, okay, just entering out quicker maybe, this would have been a very ideal choice. This was it for short positions. Let's go and look for a long position. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys an example for the long position. And this trying different cryptocurrency thing has got me crazy, because I was actually looking for places, you know, and everywhere there was this tight space. And as I told you guys, please don't trade in these places over here, okay? So I found this place over here. The red line has changed to a green line, or let's say a red trend has become a green trend. Okay, this is the simplest way to say it. And here, I'm not going to say here because the cross hasn't happened yet. Here, the cross has happened. The purple line has broken the yellow line toward the upside. So I'm just going to open a long position over here. Stop loss, previous candles, or the band over here. Guys, I forgot to tell you something. One of your stop losses, okay, can be, I mean, if you're a guy who is really willing to take risks, okay, it can be the upper band for short positions or the lower band for long positions, okay? So I would put it somewhere here is good. It's kind of the previous candles and the lower band together. With a ratio of 1.5, yes, as always, it can't be fixed to 1.5. Let's go here and see how much we would have earned. 8.5% with a leverage of 1 in a day and a half. With a leverage of 5, it would nearly become something around 42-3%, and with a leverage of 10 it would be 85%. So this is very good. If you can just enter in safe places that you are getting all the confirmations possible, that's wonderful. Okay, one more point. Imagine if you guys weren't willing to get out of this position. Where would you quit? Where would you exit? Just look at these indicators that we have over here and pay attention to this too. Okay, if this uptrend is continuing, this is good. If this green line is continuing, this is good. But as you can see here, we are beginning to have a cross. Even though if we had exited here, it still would have gone higher. But anyway, we shouldn't take risks. So for example, even if we wanted to continue, we should have just gone till here, which would even increase our take profit to nearly 17% just with a leverage of 1. But we're not going to do this. We're just going to work safe. We're just going to respect the market and our own rules, and that's it. I will just put the back test for you guys so you could see other signals as well. Thank you guys for following us, just like always. It was very nice to have you guys with us. As I said, if you had any problems or anything, please tell us in the comment section below. Please share this video with your friends if you have enjoyed it. And tell us any other indicators, whether you have been using it or not, so we could see the result of you guys in different indicators. Thank you very, very much.